Hello, ta-da friends. I am Jesse Lewis, the music producer, sound director, cellist, and kazooist for ta-da. If only I had an instrument. Wait a second. I prefer wax paper. So you just rip yourself off a piece here. Oh, you like to cut it? All right, well, we'll cut it. Yes, I know some people like to cut things and then rip them. A perfectly rectangular piece of wax paper. Place the comb on top of the wax paper. Fold the wax paper over the bristles. Hold it nice and snug so that it's quite taut. And then you've got a comb kazoo. That music you heard, by the way, just now, performed and composed by Kip Jones, musician, comb kazooist, and composer extraordinaire of An Awesome Ocean Tale from the Language Adventure series. That was the octopus page. Right, so, how'd you do that, you say? Like any instrument, it actually does take practice. So, if you press your lips right up flush against the comb, you get this. Too far away. I kind of just feel like I'm singing. It's going to tickle your lips. So you get just the right distance. So, there you have it. A comb kazoo.